Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to change a drive name on Windows 11. Open File Explorer by pressing the Windows plus E keys. In the left pane, click on this PC, locate the drive that you want to rename, and right-click on it or select the drive. Then use shortcut F2. Then click on Rename icon. Type the new name for the drive. Press Enter to confirm the change. Open Settings by pressing Windows plus I keys. Navigate to System and then click on Storage. Expand Advanced Storage Settings then. Click Disks and Volumes. Choose the drive you want to rename and click Properties. Click the Change Label button. Enter your desired name in the Volume Label field. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Click the Start button and then select Disk Management. Right-click the drive you want to rename and choose Properties. In the window, go to the General tab, enter the new name in the top field. Click on Apply and then OK. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E keys. In the left pane, click on this PC, right-click the drive, and choose Properties from the context menu. Under the General tab, type your desired name in the field. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. To open Command Prompt, press Win plus S. Then on search bar type CMD, then click on Run as Administrator. Type these commands on CMD window disk part list volume. Take note of the letter assigned to your drive in the LTR column. Type Exit command to exit disk part. Type this following command CMD label. To open Powershell, press Win plus S, then on search bar type Powershell, then click on Run as Administrator. Type these commands on Powershell Get Volume Set Volume, driver letter, New File System label, replacing the command with the previously noted drive letter. Similarly, substitute with your desired name. Set volume, driver letter D, New File System label main drive. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.